Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and then just launch the Google application. Right there on the down right corner, tap to the More icon and go into the settings. Here you will see the Google Assistant section, tap there and scroll down to the general options. Now can you see we got here the Google Assistant switcher. Just to activate the Google Assistant on our device, tap once on the switcher and confirm by tap to turn on. And that's it, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.